Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use AI with the Polygon MCP server to automate your trading research. You know that trading includes a lot of tracking. You're either scanning for certain opportunities, reading the news, or analyzing charts, but it's seriously time consuming and very overwhelming, especially for like new beginners such as myself. So I found that there is a simple solution to offload this type of work and increase opportunities to learn and essentially make more trades. And for this, I am gonna give a little bit of context. So understanding what MCP means will definitely help you with the following information I'm gonna be explaining later. So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a way for AI to connect to external tools and data sources. So instead of you manually navigating APIs or dashboards, your AI of choice does it. So for instance, ChatGPT or Claude. I believe it is also important to mention AI agents as one use case for this MCP server I will show later on includes them. Unlike chatbots that just answer questions, AI agents, which are essentially digital assistants and are as good as any research partner, can fetch data and analyze patterns for you instead of you. The Polygon MCP server gives these agents direct access to real-time market data. So I'd say a simple analogy for what the Polygon MCP server is a bridge. All it does is make the AI assistant like Claude use features that the user finds beneficial. Okay, I'm going to paste here in Claude one example. Any recent news on SPY, can you fetch me 6 articles? If you're unsure of what SPY is, it's the S&P 500 ETF. Okay, so I'm gonna let that run, and I'm gonna mention a few more example use cases that you could do here on Claude. For instance, find stocks with significant news in the last 24 hours, see how prices moved. Compare 2 companies over the last month, including news and performance. Check if the market is open and get updates on major indices. Pull historical price data for technical analysis. So as you can see here, it fetched the data from the MCP server and it provided me with the information I wanted. So basically, you ask Claude a question about stocks, news, or market conditions. Claude uses the Polygon MCP server to pull that data in real time. Then it gives you the answer formatted and ready to use, so no manual API calls are needed anymore. Now, if we were to not want to use Claude, as it has these limited actions, we could use FlowHunt. With FlowHunt, the use of autonomous agents allows for a more optimized output. You can build AI agents that run automatically at scheduled times that each do a designated task. No prompting is even required. Simply finding a compatible flow or having a flow built for a use case can be an especially smart way of saving time. You could build an AI agent that monitors your watch list every hour, checks for unusual volume or price spikes, sends you an alert with context about what is driving the movement. An AI agent that runs before market close, summarizes the day's performance across your portfolio, and emails you a report with sector trends and overnight catalysts to watch. So here I open the flow, and I'm just going to paste in my query. And so the flow I built here was designed to get a ticker symbol, like NVIDIA. It then connects to Polygon MCP server and pulls the latest news headlines and full article content from the past 24 hours using a URL retriever, as Polygon's free plan doesn't include the content of the article. The AI agent auto uses GPT 4.1 and analyzes the data like a professional options trader, since that was the goal given to it. It then checks for earnings, beats, misses, guidance changes, and price movements, and then applies trading signal rules to determine if it's a buy or a short or no action scenario. Based on that signal, it generates a specific option spread trade recommendation with either strikes, expiries, entry-exit plans, risk warnings. and we then receive an email of the complete trading briefing to the user. As you can see, I will confirm it by switching tabs to my email. So in a moment when I receive it, it should show up. Now that we've received the email, we can go check it out here. Yep, so here's the email, and we can see it here beautifully formatted. Alright, I'd like to thank everyone for tuning in, and I hope this was truly informational and just as enjoyable for you guys to listen to as it was for me to record. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.